Hello? What do you mean you haven't subscribed yet? You just click on that button below. That's all you have to do. Have you done it? All right, bye. Hello everyone, I'm Jay and this is the Camden Stitch. Hello, I thought I'd show you what's going to be coming up. So although I have been absent from YouTube, I have been sewing my little heart out, and I'll just turn you round. This is my clothes rail, just crammed fit to bursting with new lovely makes that I have to show you. You may have seen a couple of them, but mainly they are going to be new, and I've got absolutely loads and loads and loads of things to show you. So that is going to be coming up over the next few vlogs. As well as that view through my closet of many new makes, I also want to talk to you and ask if you would be interested in fitting with me. So, I don't know if you've seen these before. The commercial pattern companies all do, I think Simplicity do. Certainly I know McCalls and Vogue and Butterick all produce something called a fit pattern. And what that is, it's a pattern that you can make your own block from, or sometimes called sloper, but it's basically a body map of your shape. And once you have fitted yourself to this pattern, theoretically other patterns that you sew from the same pattern company should fit you the same, provided you make the same fitting adjustments with them. Hope I've explained that right. So basically I am going to fit a McCalls pattern company to my body. I'm going to show you the fit adjustments that I need to make. Some of them I know, some of them I'm sure I will discover, and from then on, every time I make a pattern from McCalls, as long as I make the same adjustments, I should be able to fit that straight out of the packet without having to make a toile. Are you interested in fitting along with me? If so, you will need a fit pattern. I will put the numbers of some fit patterns below. If you buy them through that link, then I will get a small commission from Amazon. It won't cost you any more money. The commission that I earn, I will donate to charity. Last year I donated about 20 quid, I can't remember how much it was, about £24 I think, to Crisis, which is a homelessness charity here in the UK. So I'll be doing the same this December. So you will need a fit pattern, and we'll just be taking it step by step. Basically you'll need some plain white fabric. You can use calico, or you can use an old bed sheet, or you can use cheap white polycotton, anything that's a light colour that you can make marks on, and it needs to be woven, not stretch. Or you can use gingham, and the reason gingham is useful is because you can check that the grain lines are 100% straight. But I think I'll probably be using white polycotton because that'll be easier for you to see on camera when I show you the adjustments that I make. So if you're interested in joining along with me, buy one of the fit patterns below or dig one out of your stash and let me know in the comments, and I'll be filming that in the forthcoming weeks. Okay, I hope that you've subscribed already. If you press the little ding ding, it's back. If you press the little ding ding bell by the subscribe button, then you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. There'll be videos coming up of lots and lots of makes, as well as things like birder style reviews, and I've got a few other ideas for forthcoming vlogs, as well as the fitting vlogs. So I hope that all sounds yummy and good. I hope you're all right and have been doing lots of sewing, and I hope everybody's staying safe and well during the weird time that we're having internationally. Right, lots of love from me in Camden, from Betsy and Ian as well. See you soon, bye.